right, checking out this car in the sun. Looks incredible. The photo bay, what you're about to see, doesn't look as good. The photo bay kind of darkens this paint. This is that true to color out here in the sun. So keep that in mind when you're looking at the video and the photos. Natural lighting really makes this car pop. She looks amazing out in the sun. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now, if you see any flickering going on the screen or buttons, that's just in camera, not in person. 96,000 miles. Now you do have a light here that has a bunch of upgraded LED lighting, and so it is going to throw that code. So that is just going to be there unless you went back to all stock lighting. Now this mirror does flop around. We're going to go on a drive. Timing chain was just replaced on this as well. You might hear some clinking. There's some parts in the trunk, so those are kind of clinking around, so that's what that is. Non-smoker, really nice car. The steering wheel is crooked. It is off center a little bit, just a few degrees. Quick alignment can get that resolved. So if you see that, kind of to the right needs to be here. If I put it straight, I go left, so. All of this looks really nice. Very cool car. We're on a really bumpy road. Okay, let's check the engine bay out here. The timing belt was replaced just recently, 95,954 miles. The battery looks like it's Sharpied on here, 2026. So I imagine that's new. Just going to scan through some of this. There's a lot of photos of this as well. Very clean. Filter looks incredible. Beautiful engine bay. Here on the underhood liner, couple flaws, but for the most part that's in great condition. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now you do have a lot of PPF paint protection film on this car, so the entire door, that lower rocker, full front fender, full hood, full front bumper, as well as the side mirrors in the A-pillar all the way across and down. So nothing on the roof and nothing from the door back. So nothing on the quarter panels and back bumper or anything like that. Now this does have a clean Carfax on it, but the quarter panels, this top section, back bumper, spoiler, deck lid, all of that has been painted. I can visually inspect it and look, but it's really hard to tell if the front half has been painted because of that PPF paint protection film, because you get little dimples and imperfections, so you really can't look in depth through that film to tell. But based on the color matching, I imagine this whole car has been refreshed, just how beautiful it is. If they painted this whole back section, they more than likely painted all of this as well. Can't confirm that. Current owner bought the car as it sits. He didn't have it painted, so he does not know. So when we look in the jams, have the hard tape line right there. You can see that. You can feel it all the way up, and it's on both sides, all the way back. But like I said, with that film on this front end and the doors, it's hard to tell, but I think it looks gorgeous. So I'm just gonna say they probably refreshed this paint just to make it look like new, because it looks incredible. Looking at that paint there, looks good. Now you do have some dimples in the film, so every once in a while you will see that. Limited edition, they put the PPF over that, so they fully wrapped it, and then they stuck this emblem back on, so that's on top of the film. Looks good. Checking out the wheels. No curb rash. Date code 2022. Continentals. Looks good. See, that paint's chipped up pretty good. The rest of that looks nice. Here on the A-pillar, a couple little imperfections on that film, but for the most part looks good. This looks incredible, nice and clean. Here on the side mirror, you do have the film right here. Nothing on that edge, but the kind of high impact hit areas. Full PPF on that door, like I said, as well as on this lower rocker. Looks incredible. Like I said, I don't think you're gonna ever be able to tell this was painted. They did a really good job. The clarity looks incredible, nice and clean. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Date code 2022. 285 3018s. Looks really, really nice. That headlight looks good. Now, when you look at this front end, there are a lot of rock chips, and it looks like they put the film over it. So if you look here, you're gonna see these rock chips. And they're just kind of peppered throughout. I'd say there's probably 40 or 50 across the hood. You're gonna have some on the fender, so if you look close here, see that? Looks like they just filmed over it. They probably touched them up though. So you can see there. Looks like they just kind of touched them up and then protected it. So at least from here on out, it's fully protected. You can see it's got the holes here. Let's check out underneath. Looks good. It's very clean. That lens looks good. It's going to, if you look here, you're going to see the rock chips. That looks good. Date code 2022. Wheel looks incredible. Got one little chip there. Now if you get close, you're going to see some of the film lifting, some little dimples. You have a large chip right here, one there, a couple along that edge, and then full PPF there protecting this section, but nothing on the quarter. Looks good. Like I said, it has been painted. You can see the overspray here. You can feel the texture, and you can feel that hard paint line. But the paint itself, like I said, looks incredible. And if you get close, like look right here, you're gonna see that dimple. So you're gonna see little dimples here and there. That wheel looks good. Pearl in here is really pretty. Now keep in mind, the color is not very accurate here in this bay. Once we get her outside, you'll see the true colors. There's a dimple right there in the paint. Got some touch up in here. Looks like something hit it, kind of gashed it, and I touched it up. dimple there. And then you can see that chip. It looks like they just kind of painted over it. So I think it already had a chip and some little flaws, and they just painted it. Because you can see that crater. So it has a crater, but there's paint perfectly in it, and it's perfectly smooth, but it has a big dip. So it just tells you that they painted that. Back bumper's been painted once again. I think they did a great job. Clarity looks good. Brand new exhaust. Current owner added that. Taillights look incredible. Looks good. And then if you look right here, you can see, let's get the light, see those dimples? And they kind of have some runs in them. So right in that section, you can see that as well. Keep in mind, you gotta be super close to see that. All right, checking out this interior. It is a non-smoker. Those seats look amazing. Overall in great condition. You got your HKS turbo timer in here. Actually pointing it right there. Looks really good. Here on that door panel, upper section looks incredible. You do have a snag on the cover. Those buttons look amazing, nice and clean. All of that is in great condition. Looking at that trim, once again, looks amazing. You do have some gashes right here. That looks good. Leather's still really soft. Overall, that bolster looks good. Typical wear for over the years, but it looks really nice. That steering wheel looks good. Buttons over here, nice and clean. Upper side of the dash is nice. Got your timer there. Very cool. Here on this door panel, upper section looks incredible, nice and clean. The cover looks good. That is a really good looking door panel. All the buttons are perfect. This trim looks good. A couple little scuffs, but for the most part it's in great condition. And you also have that film, like I said, on the lower rocker. It comes all the way up to this edge. So that little strip is now protected. Ends right here. Floor mat looks good. A couple marks on the seat. Very light flaws, but for the most part, that is in really good condition. That side of the console, you can see it had something drilled through it there. And then you have the cup holders missing, but you still have the holes. That looks good. Upper side of the dash, from what I can tell here, that's in good condition. Got the upgraded LEDs there. Looks good. All right, checking out the back seat. Upper section looks good. I mean, you're gonna have a couple flaws like that. It's very subtle. Plastics look nice. Headliner up here looks good. Looking at that seat back, that is incredible, nice and clean. Beautiful seat. There's a couple parts. Looks like a front windshield protector. Check this sucker out. Super cool. So you got the LEDs in here as well. That looks good. Underside looks incredible, nice and clean. If you look here, you have a chip. Overall looks great.